Yeah. Authentic Ghana rich cake. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. So, I'm back with another recipe, and we are going to bake some Ghana cake today. So basically, you know how we do it always. I'm going to display the ingredients, and of course I have some soft flour. I'll leave the measurements in the description box as usual. I have some milk, margarine. The margarine can be replaced with butter. I have some sugar, 2 eggs, baking powder in the rubber. I've already told you that's how I preserve my baking powder. And of course I have a nutmeg. So to start with, I will take the creaming machine and put in the margarine and the sugar and allow them to cream together. So we are going to watch the machine cream it until it becomes fluffy. When I say fluffy, I mean soft and lighter. But this doesn't mean that if you don't have a creaming machine, you can't make this cake. You can as well use a wooden spoon to actually mix it together, but that one takes way longer time. But in the end, you end up having the same mixture or consistency that we desire for this cake. Some other days when I'm making this cake, I would actually mix the eggs together with the milk, but in this recipe I decided to do them separately. So now I'm adding the eggs to the margarine, then allow it to cream as well. Now I can see some great progress here. Still, the machine is going to continue its work. You can see how soft it looks for now, and we are going to add our milk to it and allow it to cream as well. When the milk goes in, we are done with this parts of the video. Then we will go to the next part. Now that we have the consistency we desire, we are going to the next part of this video, and in a clean container I'll pour in my flour, add my baking powder to it. I'll leave the measurements in the description box, and after adding the baking powder, I'll add some nutmeg to it. Many people don't add nutmeg when making pastries or when making cake, but as I always say, nutmeg contains some nutritional benefits, so it's needed in your pastries and in your stews as well. So after adding the nutmeg, I'm going to go ahead and stir it, and now I'm coming to add the flour to the mixture of the margarine and the other ingredients we creamed. But the method used in adding the flour to the margarine is called folding in. You are not going to really mix it, but you are going to really fold it in. You just watch the video and you understand what I'm trying to say, because you need some air in the mixture, which is also a raising agent, and at the end of the day is going to help our cake come out very fine and nice. So when adding the flour, you have to add it in bits, because you do not want to mess this whole thing up. And when you have achieved that soft and creamy mixture that you want. Hey guys, you just go ahead and add your pineapple flavor, any flavor that you have, your vanilla, coconut, anything that you have, you add it to it and mix it together and go ahead and transfer it into your cake tin. So what I always do is that I will first use some margarine or some butter to grease the tin before adding the mixture to it, because when the cake is done baking, I do not want to have any sticky cake in the tin. So now we are going to go ahead and put the cake in an oven and watch it bake. Look what we have here. The cake is done baking, looking so crunchy from the outside, looking so soft. Wow, this thing really came out fine, really came out nice. Looks so soft and it's smelling good. Guys, I'm going to just combine it with yesterday's sobolo and see how the mixture goes. You see what I'm talking about? Looking so crunchy from the outside and the inside is soft. Also, look at it, guys. I'm going to just, wow, see how it looks. So I'm just going to take one and break it for us to see. Of course, I love you all, so I took the love one, and oh my goodness. Make your way into my home, because this thing here is no joke. I'm so happy to have shared this simple recipe with you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you all for the support, and I hope to see you on another video. Keep staying safe, and I love you all. Bye bye.